It appears on the horizon sleek, silver, and silent. Its wingtips slice through clouds like blades through silk. And as it climbs toward the edge of the stratosphere, the world below is reminded, China has mastered the art of air domination. This is the Chengdu J-10C. Known to the world as the Vigorous Dragon, a fighter jet that has come to define China's modern era of aerial warfare. Born from decades of ambition, necessity, and transformation, it stands today as the sharp edge of the People's Liberation Army, Air Force's spear. The birth of a dragon in the late 20th century, China's air power was lagging behind. The skies were filled with aging MiG derivatives and outdated Soviet designs. The global balance of air superiority was dominated by Western aircraft F-15s, F-16s, and Su-27s. China needed a response. The fall of the Soviet Union cut off crucial access to advanced jet technology, forcing Beijing to look inward. The J-10 project was conceived in the early 1980s, an ambitious effort to create China's first indigenous, fourth-generation multi-role fighter. It was a statement and assertion that China would no longer rely solely on foreign designs. Chengdu Aircraft Corporation took on the task, working in near secrecy. What emerged 2 decades later was a jet capable of dogfighting at high altitudes, striking targets deep in enemy territory and holding its own against the world's most advanced aircraft. The J-10C, the third and most refined variant, would finally bring that vision to maturity. Engineering a Predator, the J-10C's design is unmistakable. A delta wing paired with forward canard, giving it superb agility and instantaneous maneuverability. It's a configuration reminiscent of the Eurofighter Typhoon or the Swedish Gripen, but refined with Chinese precision. The airframe is built with lightweight composite materials, allowing for exceptional thrust-to-weight performance. The aircraft's fly-by-wire control system gives pilots the freedom to push the airframe to its limits, even into regions of controlled instability that would be impossible with traditional flight controls. Beneath its surface lies an advanced, active electronically scanned array radar, a crucial leap over older mechanical radars. This AESA system allows the J-10C to track multiple aerial targets simultaneously. Guiding missiles with split-second accuracy, coupled with an infrared search and track system, it can detect enemy aircraft without revealing its own position. And while not a stealth fighter, the J-10C features radar-absorbent coatings and refined intake designs that significantly reduce its radar cross-section, making it a formidable opponent in beyond visual range combat. Engines of the Dragon. At the heart of the J-10C lies the Shenyang WS-10B Taihong engine, a high-thrust turbofan delivering over 30,000 pounds of thrust with afterburner. It allows the aircraft to reach speeds of Mach 2.2. Climb rates exceeding 50,000 feet per minute and an operational ceiling of around 56,000 feet. Earlier models relied on Russian AL-31 engines, but the introduction of the WS-10B marked a turning point. China had achieved engines. The J-10C's range extends to nearly 1,800 kilometers, and with drop tanks and refueling probes, its endurance expands deep into enemy airspace. It is not merely fast, it is enduring, adaptable, and relentless. Weapons of precision and power, the Vigorous Dragon's arsenal reflects its dual nature, an interceptor and a striker. It carries the PL-10 short-range infrared-guided missile, capable of high off-bore sight targeting with helmet-mounted cueing. For long-range engagements, the PL-15 stands as one of the most advanced air-to-air missiles in the world, boasting an active radar seeker and a range exceeding 200 kilometers. For ground attack missions, the J-10C deploys precision-guided munitions, including laser and GPS-guided bombs, as well as anti-ship and anti-irradiation missiles. A 23mm internal cannon remains on board for close engagements and echo of dogfights past. Its electronic countermeasure suite integrates advanced radar warning receivers, jammers, and towed decoys, giving it the electronic agility to survive in heavily contested airspace into the skies of the future operationally. The J-10C has proven itself in countless exercises across China's vast air defense network. It forms the backbone of the PLA Air Force's tactical squadrons, often deployed in mixed formations alongside stealthier J-20 fighters. During joint training operations, J-10Cs have demonstrated their ability to lock onto multiple targets, perform supersonic intercepts, and execute coordinated precision strikes. Chinese pilots have lauded the aircraft's cockpit layout, digital glass displays, HOTAS controls, and helmet-mounted sights make the J-10C a seamless extension of the pilot's intent. It has also been exported, notably, to Pakistan under the name J-10C, where it serves as a counterweight to India's Rafale fleet. Early reports from the Pakistan Air Force describe it as balanced, lethal, and reliable, a fighter capable of holding its own in South Asia's crowded skies. The art of aerial combat, the J-10C is not designed to fight alone. It operates as part of a broader Dakrina networked war machine where data links connect jets, ground stations, and command centers into one synchronized combat web. Chinese air doctrine emphasizes long-range missile engagements and electronic warfare dominance. The J-10C's sensors and data links allow it to fight as a node in this system, sharing targeting data and coordinating attacks in close combat. Its Canard Delta configuration gives it instantaneous pitch authority, a trait that makes it deadly in a turning fight. Yet, its pilots are trained to rely on information, not just instinct. In the modern age, victory belongs to those who see first, decide first, and strike first. Rivals and reflections! In comparison, the J-10C often draws parallels with the F-16V. Viper boats are agile, single-engine Mulder-Ali fighters, optimized for versatility and cost-effectiveness. Its silhouette against the sun is more than metal and motion. It is the embodiment of a nation's Chengdu Dragon reborn in jet exhaust and sonic thunder. In the age of stealth and supersonic warfare, the J-10C Vigorous Dragon reminds the world that air power is not merely about speed or range. It is about determination, innovation, and national pride taking flight. The dragon has awakened, and it soars.